What is going on YouTube? This is Super Packerman coming to you today with a fun older opening. I've got 2012 SP Authentic. Picked it up from Tim's Sports Cards out in New Franken, Wisconsin. Looks like you get one rookie autograph patch card in every box, 3 autographs per box. And 2012 was actually a pretty good year. It's a pretty good rookie class that you can get, especially with quarterbacks. So here's to hoping to pull a nice Andrew Luck, or from Wisconsin, my guy Russell Wilson. So let's take a look and see what we can get. So the NFL draft will be coming up in just a short while. Who are you hoping your team gets? Who is the cannot miss guy? I think for me, being a Packers fan, I would love to see TJ Hawkinson from Iowa come through. Finally give them the tight end that they have not had in a long time. Giving Jimmy Graham somebody to work with. So here we go. Got all the packs. Let's start cracking into them. First pack. Remember 2012. Looks like we got ourselves a little cardboard here. So we have got Darius Hanks, got Jamel Fleming, Marquise Mays, Foswit Whitaker, and who am I looking for here? Travis Benjamin, and a lovely white whale. Very cool, very cool. 2012 was a fun year. That was one of the years I really got big into collecting. Actually pulled, at the time, what was a great hit, a Robert Griffin III jersey out of the Leaf jersey boxes. And fortunately held on to it way too long, and by the time I finally sold it, I only sold it for about 40 bucks. But still very cool card. It's a lot of fun to watch. Next pack here, we got Shea McClellan. Ooh, we got an auto in there. So let me just try to scooch that to the back there. Harrison Smith, Eric Page, Shea McClendon, not numbered, David Molk, not exactly sure who this is here, and Jarrett Boykin. Very cool auto. Remember correctly, he was an old Packer, so that's pretty neat. Set that off to the side here. Let's see what the next pack brings us here. Got one auto down. And do not worry, I sleeve everything up, but just going for the sake of the video, I will do that afterwards. Next card, Mykonor Regis, Dante Hightower, Rhett Ellison, a lovely white whale card, Aaron Corp, and Bobby Rainey. Very cool. Not exactly sure how the numbering works in this set. So if I get something good, please let me know. Alright, next pack. Let's see what we get. Another white whale, so I will just kick that out right away. Let's start here with Dominic Davis, Riley Reef, Alfonso Denard, Justin Blackman, Devin Wiley. I remember Blackman. I thought that he was going to be a star in the NFL, and he never really put it together. Really could not keep himself on the field. Let's see what we got for the next pack. I like doing these older packs too. It's kind of fun to see the people that you thought were going to be huge and that didn't really pan out, or you get some people that did become really huge that at the time you didn't really know who they were. So we got Alshon Jeffrey, Dwayne Allen. Pat Edwards. Got a couple of them sticking here. Mike Martin. A very cool Bo Jackson card. Not numbered. Very cool. Very cool card. If there is anything you guys would like to see me open, please let me know. I can definitely see if I can get my hands on it, and I can see what we can get out of it. I'm on a bit of a budget, but you know, I'm not going to be blowing $800 on a new National Treasures or nothing like that. So, Bobby Wagner, LaRon Bird, Jeremy Ebert, LaMichael James, and Junior Hemingway. Very cool. Still got 2 autos and 1 patch auto or jersey auto in the box. Actually going to just take these all out, I think. A lot of packs. Let's see what we can do. Nothing left in the box. Get that pack out of here. Let's see. Got a different colored one here, so we'll see what that is. But always fun white whale card. Got Stephon Gilmore, Ladarius Green, Derek Moye, J-Ron Hosley, and then this cool card in the back, Jonathan Martin. It's got a weird texture to it, but a very cool looking card. Offensive lineman. Not seeing a number on it, but a very cool card. Very cool. To the next pack. Go. Try not to get the corners at all. Alright, another white whale. We got Chandler Harnish, Nelson Rosario, Jaron Kreiner, Jarrett Boykin, and Rodney Stewart. Looks like we got something in here. Maybe another one of those cool cards. Let's see what we get. Got, take that one last. The white whale. Got Jerry Franklin, Kirk Cousins, Viking. Can't do too much with that though. Tyler Shoemaker again. Kendall Wright, and Jamel Fleming. Very cool cards. Very cool. Definitely give you a lot of cards for this product. Just pushed all the garbage onto the floor here. Let's see here. Whale out. Evan Rodriguez, Kevin Koger, Stephon Green, and Dejan McKnight. I think I might have missed a card. Yes, I did. There we go. Levante David. These older ones stick together. Hard to get apart. If I do miss anything while I'm going through, please let me know. Couple thick cards in here. Let's see what we got. White whale. So we got AJ Jenkins, Orson Charles, Thomas Mayo, James Michael Johnson, Michael Agnew. Oh, there's a guy that I remember getting way too often. It was this guy. Every single time I seemed to open up any sort of packs, I'd always get Agnewed. Let's see what the next pack holds. At least something good. We still got 2 autos, and for sure 1 patch auto, which might actually be in here. Yeah. Let's take a look here. Got Mark Tyler, Keyshawn Martin, Janoris Jenkins, and Oregon Ducks. Which is going to be LaMichael James. It is LaMichael James, not an auto though. Wow. It's a very slick looking card though. Let's see if we got any numbering on there. Does not look like it. I'm sorry about the glare of the overhead light. Apologize about that, but that is a slick looking card. Not numbered, but Michael James. The next pack here. Clear a bit of that garbage there. Next up, we've got Travis Benjamin, Ronnie Hillman, Cliff Harris, Rashard Matthews, another thick card. Hey, that is what I am talking about. Russell Wilson, rookie auto, numbered out of 885, 460 out of 885. Rookie auto, Russell Wilson. Man, that is nice. That is perfect. Love that. That is awesome. I am actually going to have to go and grab a case real quick here so I can get that covered. So just hold tight. Alright, got her all cased up and ready to go. There we go. There's big magnetic case for now, but Russell Wilson. Could not ask for a better person to pull, especially around here in Wisconsin. That's awesome. So there is our patch auto, but that means we still have 1 auto left. We can double down, maybe get Andrew Luck too. That would be an insane break. So let's see here. Apologize about camera work. Still a little bit new to this here. Got TJ Graham, Jeff Fuller, but there is something behind that, so I'm going to just take that last. Vontez, I can't stand the game perfect. Jermaine Curse, and then looks like it's going to be a redemption. Yes. Reservation made in my honor. How cool. I cannot reach that. Oh my god. This is crazy. That is a Roger Staubach auto short print, and it expired 3 years ago roughly. Hopefully they still have it. Hopefully I can still get my hands on it, but Roger Staubach, that is awesome. Just too bad it is so old. Well, there's all my autos, so let's just keep opening packs, and hopefully I can get in touch with the company and I can see if I can still get that card. But with it being that old, I'm not sure if they will. But let me know in the comments if there is a way to do that, or if there's some person I should be contacting to get that card. We've got Amini Silatolu, sorry if I'm butchering that name, Alameda Ta'amu, RG3, Robert Griffin III. How awesome of a card this would have been in 2012. Brandon Thompson and Andre Branch. Man, Roger Staubach auto and a Russell Wilson auto out of the same box. That is a good box. I picked this box up. It was on sale for $75 from 2012. I ended up getting it for a good deal, and definitely has been nothing but good back to me. So Jordan Jefferson. I want to make sure there wasn't something stuck. Isaiah Peed. Jonathan Martin. Nigel Bradham. And Cordy Glenn. So many packs in this stuff, though. Holy moly. Just keep going through. Knock out the left side. Got Greg Childs. Marquise Mays. Hey, LaRon Bird. I got 4 autos out of here. I got myself a hot box. That's awesome. LaRon Bird. Very cool. Try to speed this thing up here, too. Don Tari Poe and Jared Crick. Put up the next pack. We've got Foswit Whitaker, Jeremy Ebert, Dan Marino, not numbered, White Whale, Dan Persa, Jordan White, Matt Khalil, Brandon Whedon, and Stephen Hill. Well, Michael Agnew and Doug Martin. Doug or not. Got Dan Herron, Joe Adams, White Whale, Michael Kendricks, Tyler Hansen, and Case Keenum. Got David DeCastro, Kendall Reyes, Ryan Lindley, Alfred Morris, and Luke Kuechly. Got Jarrell Robinson, Ronald Lewis, White Whale, Whitney Merciless, and Mike Willie. I think I got another card stuck in here. Yep, Courtney Upshaw. Courtney Upshaw stuck to there. Let's see here. We've got Tim Benford, Lennon Creer, a die cut of Marquise Mays. Not numbered, it looks like. No, not numbered, but very cool card. Lavassier Chune and Jarrett Lee. And last pack, we get another auto. This is an amazing box, but I think we're done with the autos for now. Let's see what we get. We've got Quentin Copels, Antoine Bailey, Brian Quick, different color, not numbered. I'm going to have to know. You're going to have to tell me in the comments if any of these are good. Hey, our buddy Russell. Set you back there for now. And Andre Branch. Keep getting these wheels to stick to me. But what an amazing opening today. We did great. We ended up today with a Russell Wilson patch autograph. Very cool. We have got 2 base autos here in LaRon Bird and Jarrett Boykin. And then on top of that, we got this Roger Staubach, which is so faded. I don't know if any of you can read it, but I can just barely make it out. Roger Staubach auto. Short print that I will have to see if I can redeem. But very cool. Very, very cool. Amazing opening. I will be back with you guys again next week, and I will be doing an opening of a baseball bat from Onyx, as well as some hit from 2019. Guys, take care. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite pull was out of this.